Hey guys, what's up? This is Derek with omgitsderek.com, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add fake cinematic bars to your footage. Now you might be asking why exactly would I want to add fake cinematic bars to my footage, and you'll notice that a lot of YouTubers and stuff will do this when they're doing B-roll segments in between, vlog clips, when they're doing the talking head style, which is like this kind of right now. And so they'll add B-roll in between those talking head videos. And during that B-roll, a lot of times you'll see that they'll add these black bars at the top and bottom of the screen in order to give it more of a cinematic feel. So let's go ahead and jump right in and show you guys how it's done. So the first thing I want to point out is before you even add the effect to the clips, you probably have several images stitched together like you see here on my screen. So we have this first clip, which is a waterfall behind some green foliage. And then it goes into this other clip of a stream flowing down. So the first thing you want to do is, so that you don't have to add the effect to every single clip, you can actually go right down in here under your project. You have a button right here that says new item. You can click that and you can click adjustment layer. And then you want to have it set to whatever you're doing. This video is 1080p at 23.976 frames per second. So okay. And then I want to add the adjustment layer here, and I want to stretch it between all my clips. So in this example, I have 2 clips. You might have 3, 4, 5, however many. You want to drag and adjust that adjustment layer so that it's right above the video clips and that it takes up the entire space of the video clips. Once you do that, we want to go ahead and click on the effects tab and type in the crop effect. That's what we'll actually use to add this. And you don't want to drag it onto your clips. You actually want to drag it onto that adjustment layer again, so that it'll handle all of the clips, and not just that way you don't have to do them individually, basically. So once we go ahead and put that crop effect, drag it onto the adjustment layer, we want to go to our effect controls. And you'll see right here, we have now crop showing up under the effect controls. And we just want to add a 10% crop to the top and a 10% crop to the bottom. And as you can see there in the top right of the screen, we now have black bars around our video footage. And if we play that, you'll see it goes. And as it goes into the next clip, since we put it on the adjustment layer, the black bars are still there. And that's how you do it. It's that easy. So now another tip, just to kind of take that one step further for you, is a lot of times what looks really cool is if you're coming out of a talking head video into some B-roll footage and you want to add those black bars, instead of just boom, having them appear, having them scroll down from the top and the bottom makes it look really, really cool. So the way that you do this is you actually click at the beginning of your frame, wherever your B-roll starts, at the beginning of that adjustment layer. And then you want to click the toggle animation button here for your top and the toggle animation for your bottom. So that creates a keyframe there. We'll then go in, I like to go in 1 second. So we'll move ahead into 1 second, and then we'll add in 10% and 10%. We'll then go to the end of our clip, which is at 18:15 for me. So we'll go back to 17:15, 1 second. Again, that's just personal preference. Or take it from 10% and 10% to the end, back to 0%. And then if we play that, you see him kind of go in there at the beginning. And if we go towards the end of the clip, you'll see them fade back out. So again, just playing it from the beginning. We go back, playing it from the beginning. You'll see the bars slide from the top and bottom. And at the end of the clip, you'll see them slide back up to the top and the bottom. And again, that's not something you have to do, but just using that toggle animation and setting that like you saw me do, just because I think that little bit of extra when you're moving from a transition of like a talking head video where you may not have those fake cinematic bars into your B-roll footage, and then go ahead and releasing them before you go back into a talking head section of your video. So that's it, guys. It's that easy. I hope that helps you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. It helps out so much. If you don't mind, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that bell to get notifications when we create new tutorials and stuff like this. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. You guys are the best. Much love. And till next time. Peace out, everybody.